What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom in Meridian, Mississippi, and today we're going to be viewing this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper Destination model 403 RD, so RD for rear den and sleeping room mainly for two, but this coach does have two different sleeper sofas in the back, so possibility of sleeping room for six. And right now I've got all the slides closed in to show you what it looks like while going down the road, as well as to tell you some of my viewers also want to know, can they gain access to the refrigerator as well as the restroom without letting any of the slides out? You will have access to the restroom, but unfortunately you're not going to have access to the refrigerator. But we're going to start on the outside of the coach, going over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. Coming at you 39 feet in length with 5 total slides, 2 sliding doors, 2 air conditioners. Is this brand new 2022 Forest River Sandpiper Destination model 403 RD. RD stands for rear den, living room, so the living room's all the way in the back. Queen size bed in the front. It's more of an east to west. Correction, north to south, not east to west. That is one huge bedroom slide right there. Vacuum bonded slides and sidewalls. Driveway this model currently sits of 11,739 pounds. And speaking of weight, here on the hitch of your truck, 1,268 pounds. So definitely check the load and tow capacity of your truck before purchasing this model. Once you get this coach in place, manufacturer states that this tongue on the front is removable. So once you get this thing blocked up and set in place, go ahead and remove that. Put some nice skirting all the way around it. Set it up at a beach or a river. Just somewhere just more permanent. Sewer connections, you're only going to have one down here in front of the tires. That way you're not fumbling around with multiple hoses once you get this thing set up. Heated and enclosed underbelly with these new 4x8 sheets, which is really nice if you ever have to work on one of these models. Water connection found right here. Coach sits on a 96-inch wide construction, and the main construction beam is a 12-inch I-beam running all the way down. Power connections back here on the back. Rear mounted ladder with a 250-pound low capacity. Stabilized with 4 scissor jacks, 1 on each corner. But again, once you get this thing in place, we always recommend blocking them up, getting them, a lot more sturdy. All electric 20-foot awning, porch lights. There's white LED lights underneath there as well. And just 2 massive sliding doors. What's your opinion on this? I'm okay with 1. I'm not sure what I feel about when it comes to 2. Something different. We'll see how it does here. Heading inside, I got that door locked, so let's come up here. Heading inside the model, 5 different slides. And you're gonna have 4 back here into the entertainment area. 2 here in the kitchen. 2 more in the living room. Both of these are sleeper sofas, so you can open that up nicely for all of your guests to sleep, or not. And I will let that out closer towards the end to show you what it looks like. About a 30-inch fireplace, sound bar by Connex, 50-inch screen TV, 2 Coleman mock air conditioners, and again, that's a sleeper sofa there. Theater seats with cup holders, LED lights underneath. Blackout shades all the way throughout this model, but you still do have the 80% tint on the windows, and these are breeze windows here as well. Solid surface countertops throughout the kitchen prepping area. Haven't seen the bathroom yet, so we're going to find out that here shortly. I'm going to go with probably a Formica, more like a pressed membrane, plastic wrapped over the top of the Formica material. But coming right around, we're going to go ahead and quick pan around the living room, heading into the kitchen. I got dizzy myself, so I do apologize. You're probably going to get even more dizzy than I did. Coffee prep station with some additional cabinetry, glass accent there, solid surface countertops, 22 cubic foot electric refrigerator. Now let's talk destination models. Once again, these things are made to be put in place, and most travel trailers will have an inverter built in so that refrigerator will work while going down the road. These things aren't made for that. No inverter built into the destination model, so this refrigerator will not work while in transit. Get it where you're going, get it plugged in. It's made for full time. Check out this gray stone oven. I always make different jokes about some of your typical campers don't have enough room in these things for cooking a turkey, but you definitely will, possibly inside of this model here. An enormous amount of room. LG microwave on the top. Your cabinet doors. So that's real wood. That's none of the paper stuff. If you look at the outside structure of the cabinet, this is going to be your fake wood, but your cabinet doors, that's solid wood. And more than likely the drawers will be solid wood as well. We'll pull out one here shortly and show you that. Just showing you some of the additional counter space you're going to have. Island in the middle. Trash can found down there as well. And again, that's good. The doors on this model, they are real wood. Solid surface countertops. You're going to have the high-rise faucet with a stainless steel drop-in sink. Blue LED lights. Thank goodness these can be turned off. I'm not a fan of the blue. Coming around to the dining room slide, 6'5" slide height there with blackout shades all the way throughout again. Legless table with 4 chairs. And this is just a picture window, just not a breeze window. Just 80% tint, just allows all that natural light to come in. Coming up to the hallway, all the controls to operate all the slides are right here to the left, and that's one of the thermostats located there. 60 by 80 queen size bed, north to south. Your second air conditioner, with both of these are racetracked together. Nice big tall ceilings. Closet slide. Let's open these up and show you what that looks like. So you get a little bit of storage over here. Hanging rod all the way to the length of this one here. You do have an additional shelf, I noticed, on both sides of the bed. USB charger and 110 outlets. And there's 80% tint on these again. Cabinets over the headboard for additional storage. Washer and dryer connections for a stackable washer and dryer at the foot of the bed. TV connections found way up there. And you probably noticed by now on the bed, there's 2 screens for the sliding doors on the model. Additional storage also found up here. Maybe a good place to stick some of your, or not all, but some of your detergents. Heading inside the bathroom area, 2-piece plastic shower, and you've got about 6 to 8 inches to step up to get into the shower. But once you're in there, you're not going to have to worry about ceiling height. Over 8 feet of ceiling height inside of this bathroom. Nice big medicine cabinet, Formica countertops, and that's that pressed membrane, which is a hard plastic that's wrapped over that Formica area there. And a porcelain foot flush toilet with additional storage right above. So I've gone ahead and let out both of the sleeper sofas to show you how much move-about space you're going to have, as well as opened up all the blackout shades to let you see how much natural light still finds its way through the 80% tint. In reference to the size, it's bigger than a full-size bed, but still smaller than a queen, and you possibly have room to recline in both of the theater seats if you're okay with them touching. At date and time of making the video, MSRP on this new 22 model of $74,160.25. For pricing and availability, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Leave me a thumbs up telling me what you think of both of these sliding doors. Is this something that you might be interested in? Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Come see us.